Hey, welcome guys in the tutorial of SolidWorks. So we are going to see that how can you make these broken views. So generally broken views are used when you have a part or geometry which has a large length, as you can see here. If it is a large length or height, we are going to use this broken section views. So I have this part file, as you can see here. It has very large length. So for this, if you put it the top view, it will take so much of part of the drawing sheet. So we have to use this section view. So how can we make this broken section views? So let's see. Go to file, go to new, and select this drawing, and be sure that you have that part ready. So I have this broken view part. I will click on this and I will put it like, you can select the views which you want, top or front. We are selecting the front view, put it here like this. So in this way you can put the front view of that object. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going for break view. Here you have to give gap size, which is 0.25, and cut direction is like horizontal, is the vertical break line, and then the break line style is zigzag cut. There are other break line style, straight cut or say curve. It is small zigzag and zag. So we are going for zigzag cut. Put it here, one and second. So this is the gap, which is 0.25 inch. It will show that. So this gap is 0.25. So now we have this our broken section view. You can put it like this. So now if you go for projected view, if you click on this, like if you move like this is the top view. If you move like in angle, this is a isometric view like this. If you go down, this is the so in this way you can put all different views. Like if you see here, the back view is like is also broken. So that's, you can make it like this because we have broken this front view, so it's already broken. For isometric view it will not break because it can't make it seeing, like it can't show us that we can break it. So for isometric view it will not break or will not break a part, but like for front view, top view, other, it will break the section, it will break the part using the section view. So in this way you can use this broken section view option in SolidWorks drawing part in drawing file. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.